In this video, we compare HS700E Drone with certification and Potensic ATOM Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS700E Drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS Anti-Shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. The Potensic ATOM Drone is an incredibly lightweight gadget, weighing less than 249 grams, making it easily portable and exempt from FAA or remote ID registration. Equipped with a SONY CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video, the drone ensures high-quality image and video capture. The drone features a fast 1.5H charging time and offers an impressive 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries, ensuring ample time for exploration. The drone boasts an upgraded PicSync 3.0 technology that ensures strong anti-interference compatibilities and a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. The ATOM drone camera supports visual tracking and creative features like pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, giving users the freedom to record creative moments. The drone is beginner-friendly, with its enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home feature, ensuring steady aerial shots and safe flight. Both the HS700E drone with certification and the Potensic ATOM drone are high-quality drones with an impressive array of features. The HS700E drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations, and is equipped with a 4K EIS Anti-Shake camera for stable video transmission. GPS and GLONASS navigation systems are in place for stable hovering and reliable return-to-home function. On the other hand, the Potensic ATOM drone is incredibly lightweight, making it easily portable and exempt from FAA or remote ID registration. It boasts a SONY CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera for high-quality image and video capture. A notable feature of the ATOM drone is its fast charging time and long flight time due to its 3 batteries. Both drones are user-friendly and equipped with enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home features. However, the Potensic ATOM drone offers a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers, which may be a deciding factor for users who prioritize range. Overall, both drones offer unique features and benefits, and the choice between the two would depend on the specific needs and preferences of the user.